Hello, welcome to the third lesson on the past perfect tense. In this video, we are going to look at making positive and negative statements in the past perfect tense. Here we have a timeline of some historical events in Ghana. Ghana gained independence in 1957. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah became president of Ghana in 1960. The Akosombo Dam was completed in 1965. Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown by the military in 1966. Otumfuo Opoku-Ware II became king of Ashanti in 1970. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah died in 1972. Kofi Annan was appointed Secretary General of the UN in 1997. Professor John Evans Atta Mills became President of Ghana in January 2009. President John Evans Atta Mills died in July 2012. Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo became President of Ghana in January 2017. When were you born? State whether you had or had not been born when each event above occurred. For example, I can say that when Ghana gained independence in 1957, I had not yet been born. That is a negative statement. I can also say when President John Evans Atta Mills died in July 2012, I had already been born. That would be a positive statement. Now, you give it a try. Now, compare events in the timeline below, making positive and negative statements. For example, the Akosombo Dam was completed in 1965. Ghana gained independence in 1957. Which of these two events happened first? Ghana gained independence first. So we must use the past perfect tense in expressing these events in the past. When the Akosombo Dam was completed in 1965, Ghana had already gained independence. Another example, the Akosombo Dam was completed in 1965. Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown by the military in 1966. Which of these two happened first? The Akosombo Dam was completed first. So we can say, when the Akosombo Dam was completed in 1965, Kwame Nkrumah had not yet been overthrown. Now, compare events on this timeline, making positive and negative statements, as has been done in the example. Well done. This brings us to the end of this lesson.